Hey guys, today we're going to be making an origami dog. And my special guest here is Storm. Come on! It's my dog. Okay, so in this book, it's Easy Animal Origami. So, the dog. As you can see on the first, so you want to take your origami paper because you can't really use any kind of paper. And take this side, take this side and put it face down. So this side should be showing. As you can see, and then put it like a diamond, and then fold this corner to this corner. I'll come back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm done with that part. As you can see, now your paper should kind of be like a triangle. So you're going to face it down like this. As you can see from this right here, second one. And then you fold that corner to that corner. So you fold this corner to this corner. Leave that corner hanging. So just fold these two together. Yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. So after you fold these two together, and unfold them. So you fold and then you unfold. Okay guys, so your paper should be like this, and then you unfold it so it's back like this, and you should see the fold in the middle. Because you were supposed to fold that corner to that. I hope you guys understand that. Okay, number 3. It says, value fold the left and right points down. Allow the points to rest to the left and right of the center fold. If you guys don't believe me, it's right there. And this is number 3. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, so that's how you fold it. So you just fold it down, see? Because I did this like a little bit, and then I just folded it. Make sure you still have enough room to put eyes in the mouth, and a nose. Okay, number 4 is mount and fold the top and the bottom points behind the model. Right here. That's the word. Okay. I'll come back with a little bit. Okay, so this is what it looks like. As you can see, I folded it in the back of the model. Because this is the front, because it has the ears in the front. So I made sure you guys don't get confused with that. This only has 5 steps, so it's going to be a very short video. Okay, here you go. Here. Now give your pup a friendly face. So after all that stuff that you did, you now can draw a face, and if you want to, like some puppy ears and stuff. So I'm going to be back when I'm done with mine. And I'm going to prepare it and see what it looks like compared to my dog, even though my dog's not fully brown. That's okay. I'll be right back. So guys, as you can see, you can't really see the eyes that well. So what you can also do is just take a white piece of paper and cut it in 2 circles, like fold it in half and then cut it in 2 circles to here. Just cut it in 2 circles and then cut it in another 2 smaller circles and just color the 2 smaller circles black. And then for the nose, you can just make a cylinder and then just color it black. So I'll be back when I'm done with that. Okay guys, I'm back and I haven't done my puppy, but I am gonna shut my brother's door because he's the one that has the music in the background. And yeah, I hope you guys could hear me this whole entire video. If you couldn't, then I'll just do a voiceover. Okay, you guys can't really hear it that well now. So that's better. So, now I'm going to do the eyes of my puppy dog and my nose. So, yeah. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys. So, this is the back. This is the front. My dog does not look like this. So, let me just pick her up real quick. Face does not look like that. Oh, that's not your face, Storm. Stop it. Storm, stop it. Storm, look at the camera. Storm. Storm. Look at the camera. They don't look alike. Here's a zoom in on my origami dog face. And here's a zoom in on my real dog's face. There's a difference. So, the answer is, I'm not origami things. Let me just show you. Actually, I don't know. Hold on. Okay, so here we go. Be free! Guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go find my at least one other origami I've made, so be right back. Okay, now I'm gonna show you. I only found 2 of them. I have, I think, like 2 more, but I only found 2. So I'm just gonna show you them. So let's turn the camera around. Yeah. So guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember, Smarties, stay smart, Smarties. Bye guys, I love you. Peace. One last time I forgot to say to you guys, make sure you subscribe, hit that red and white button right down below. Make sure you comment what part was your favorite part. And don't forget to hit that like button. Even if you liked it or you didn't like it, make sure you hit that like button. Because if you turn your iPad around and you didn't like this video, it turned into a dislike, but it's still a like. So hit that button anyway. So, see you guys maybe tomorrow. Either way, see you guys next time. Bye, Smarties. Love you. Peace!